Yo, yo, yeah. So back in this bitch now, yo, sick of flashback of a Vietnam vet, you best just bet, yo, nothing less than my best, is like I'm on a quest. There was nothing less than what I ever wanted, man, I wanted to be the best. If I could've never ever made it, if I would've made it, congratulations. But I feel though, I'm back on the back burner, so I'ma let it go straight off of the top of my brain before I get pissed, before I start aiming shit at other different people. I'm sorry, this is a sorry note to suicide. I don't know what to say, bitch, but bye, yo. I'm done with the rap shit, yo. This is my last rap, and I'ma tell you, no, for real though, and I'ma never stop it until I stop, my brakes break. Look at this shit, I try to levitate, but I feel like an earthquake. Now come back on this shit, yo. Look at my plate, I can't even clean it. Can't do shit, bitch, but now I'm seeing it. I could've been better than what I was, could've been a better friend. I'm sorry about it again, but I'm back on it. I try to be as I couldn't be, better as I can be, but it seems to me, apparently, it always seems to be me fucking shit up again. Fuck it though, I'ma let it go. Off of the note, I felt it from the bottom of my heart, yo. I know I'm a retard though, just let it roll. I know I take the toll all the time, every road. I'm back in the shit, so you really know, yo. And that's not how I really am. Goddamn, I know you think of me like that, but I'm sorry, yo. I bet to step up to the plate and just bat. But I guess I just gotta miss the shit just for a minute again. But I'm tearing it up, yo. I'm fucking up, but I can't stop. Please help me. I'm about ready to drop. Come on, baby. Not baby, but my best friend. Come on, lady. Come on, girl, yo. Save me from everything that I'm losing. Yeah, and I just need some help. There's no doubt inside of my brain that I need it, bitch. I tried a game. I call you more bitches the same, loves the bitch, and I finally figured out, yo, I had a lot of responsibilities before, but honestly, I need to be better than what I am. Damn. Can I change me? Can I change a new light? Can I fight? It's an uphill motherfucking battle. Can I do it, man? Like I'm jumping back on the saddle. Like I still got the cattle though. I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm letting it go. You'll be my best friend to the day that I die. I really need you to realize everything, yo. Look at me in the eyes. I know you can't feel the same guy, but it's my pride, yo, and I can't deny. I'm back up in this shit. I feel like I'm about to fry, but I ain't like these other guys, yo. Yeah, I fucked up. I tripped over the shit. Just give me one more script. Give me one more minute. Give me one more chance, man. I don't want to get in your pants, yo, for really. That was never what I wanted, yo. Come on, honey. Come on, yo, oh. Come on, my brother. You know I'm better than that, yo. But I'm sorry about everything that I've been doing. I'm so sad that I'm sorry. Should never get to meet me, probably, because I feel like, yo, you just dropped me. I just fell off of the earth. But it's my fault. It's not yours, yo. Yeah, you never broke my heart. I just feel like I just need to be by myself all the time. But now I think about it inside of my mind, wondering what I could have been doing all along, yo. But fuck it though, I get it back. You look at my notebook, you write the same raps. The shit gets so motherfucking sick though. No one even knows inside of my brain, yo. They saying I can't really rap, but you was always been on my side since day one, since 2008. You never took nothing off of my plate. You always made sure I ate. You always made sure I had a bed to lay my head in. And I know what it is. I'm getting ahead of the game, getting over me. But I know, man, I'm sorry. I'm never gonna be the man that you've been hoping for.